video, I'm going to show you what to do if the words on your title card, your illustrations are too short, or if the music cuts out on you. So let's start with the music. So I'm going to come here to the beginning. I'm going to click play. Uh-oh, my music cut out. And so the first thing to check is, this should be the issue, is you come here to custom audio, which is where you uploaded your music. And I see the song, but I look here and I've got this whole long video, but my song is only this long. So I'm going to take that side and I'm going to pull it all the way across to the end. And then my video is going to go through to the end. There it goes. That's a pretty easy fix. Now, I noticed that when I started my video, my title lasted all of 3 seconds. But my title card is up for 12.75. So I'm going to come to my title card, make sure I've selected it, and I'm going to click on text. And I'm going to look right here, and do you see it's a very similar bar to what the music was. And I'm going to take that end piece and I'm going to pull it all the way across because I want it there the whole time. Now you could also say, I want people to listen to the music for a little bit before they see what this is all about. So maybe you want to start it a little bit further in. So let's see what that looks like. Now it'll stay the whole time. This is also the technique you use if you use, like, let's say 3D effects. And let's see, I used a waterfall on Snorlax because that's kind of fun, thinking about him blocking the river. So I've got some waterfall. I don't want it too loud. But when I look here, I only have it going for 1 second. So if I want it to last the whole of Snorlax picture, I'm going to take it and I'm going to pull it all the way across. And then it will last the whole time. But maybe I just want it to come in at the very end for the last few seconds. So people are kind of like, oh, what just happened? And then we go to Charmander. You kind of get to decide that. That's one of the things you can play with. But this is where you would change how long that waterfall sound starts. Or if you wanted to do the, I just want for the last few seconds. Done. So that is how you change how long your title card is. Make sure your music goes all the way to the end, or even how you play with the 3D effects on there.